fixing her hair. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm weird looking.
Got some serious work to do, girl.
Mira, me veo como una... I look like a grandma. I don't like this color. I look ugly. I'm colorful. I'm colorful. I'm black and white.
anymore.
I look prettier now.
Yeah, but now my hair's messed up.
My lips.
No, I'm not hyper. That's her. My face is funny looking.
My nostrils are weird. Can you see them? They're a boogie. Tell me, can you see it?
Watch, you really have one hanging out.
Oh my. Stop taking my nose, people. Look at my eye.
It looks so black.
Gina, that looks so demented.
Oh! Stabbed my eye.
Oh my god! Speaking of hitting each other today,
We're not even making a video.
so the camera,
You guys beat up Danielle, huh?
Who?
Danielle.
Who's that?
You know who Danielle is?
the camera needs to know. Do you know? We were running upstairs, and she
Oh yeah, you guys
and I
beat up.
fell on her, and then I was laughing, and I was trying to get up,
Claudia.
and I was trying to get up, and she pushed me back down. And then Gina beat up Claudia.
Dude,
Why?
she got me mad. I was eating my apple and then she hits me. Oh, heck no.
I know. And then Mr. Human was just like, hey, you two, come here.
And then Mr. Human got me in trouble. Mr. Lester was just like, I see you bullying her. And I was like, okay. And I keep beating her up. And then Mr. Human, he comes and then he separates us. I was like, oh, heck no.
Did he tell you to go to different parts of the cafeteria?
Huh?
Did he tell you to go to different parts of the cafeteria?
No.
Split yourself?
No.
Oh my.
Look, she has a star.
Ah! Birdie fall! You're just jealous because you don't have blue markers. Even though you can't see it? Yeah, you should stop.